let's begin with listing builder. Uh, Actually, you can use this tool. I don't recommend that much, but of course, it's up to you. Maybe you can create some demo for your product, then always need it to manually changing title, bullet point. It's working with AI. It can help you a lot, but ultimately, you need to some manual work as well. How it works? So firstly, we need to find the ASIN. Probably you say whatever the product you say. If you're selling, for example, baby monitor, I wanna create new listing. Just grab its ASIN. Come to SellerSprite, and here we have the place AI generated content for this one. Put the ASIN here and the import. Import meaning we are pulling everything from that product detail page, like this one. We just grab its ASIN. We are pulling and showing everything here. You can now write the title by yourself, or you can utilize AI. That's the first part. Second part, you can import the keywords, different keywords. You can collect all those keywords here, and then to say, okay, you use this keyword, you use that keyword in product description or bullet point or some part of your listing. For
Mm-hmm.
example, this is the listings previously I added here. I can click this one and create listing. It brings us, this is the title of this, just I select the ASIN. This is the title. Here we have bullet point, and description. Here we can get the keywords. You can add the keyword phrases, or previously we covered some tools uh, keyword tracking, product tracking. If you save some keywords, while using this listing builder, you can import those keywords here, or
Mm.
you can just come the product detail page. You can grab it's the you can utilize reverse ASIN and import the keywords from here as well. It's up to you. Even you can go to brand analytics on Seller Central. You can manually grab the keywords and put there. Let's add some keywords from here. Um, Copy selected, and you can add here, or you can import
Mm-hmm.
from different places. Keyword analysis, let's see where they are using, like monitor, baby, camera. This is also showing how frequently that they're used in title or bullet point or somewhere. It's kind of you can use this tool to see where this product used, and like even you can see the search volume, search where they used, and what's the search volume of each keyword phrases. It could help you to understand, okay, this keyword volume is bigger, I can use in title. This keyword's search volume is smaller, maybe I can use it in bullet point, or maybe I can use it in uh, description to prioritize which keyword you need to give more, pay more attention, etc.
Mm-hmm.
So from here you can understand roughly how it's working. Just my suggestion is that go to Play with tool and find out what the keywords, what the ASIN, etc. Is suitable. You can use to you can utilize definitely. It's much more better than you write your listing on the Excel or Word or somewhere. And it has also some AI generated, like AI generated function. For example, we added this keyword, and this keyword has been used in title. You see, we draw the line on the keyword. It means, yeah, this keyword used. You used all the keywords, 5 out of 5 keywords we used in title. If the any keyword left, we're gonna show here. For example, we highlight here product title. We say, okay, this used here, this used here, and the audio, maybe this is the not the used keyword. It says, okay, you can use this keyword somewhere.
Mhm.
This is the shortly about the listing builder. Should we go to next tool?
So just to summarize, let's say we have a new product upcoming and we want the best keywords for this product. We want to rank in all the relevant places on Amazon and want to get maximum ability for us to get sales, hopefully. So what we can do, we can gather a similar ASIN to us, right? And import
Yeah.
its kind of already data that's inside it. And based on that ASINs will create for us a title and the bullet points. We can improve our current listing, or we can start one from scratch by maybe utilizing competitive listing, or we can also use the reverse ASIN, which again in the description there's a playlist with all our SellerSprite tutorials where we can see how to use it, what it means. Reverse ASIN means we take all the keywords from that ASIN and we kind of have them in one place. We can copy them and we can put them into the listing builder to then let the AI generate the listing from those keywords. So let's say if we take the top 1 or 3 or 5 ASINs and input them into the kind of words and phrases, like Yalchin is doing now. So exactly. So then we can, from those keywords that are already coming from top competitors, that means they're doing something all right, we can from them build a listing, and then quickly we have a listing ready. And that's good. Of course, I think you started with that. That was pretty good, Yalchin. You mentioned that we'll probably have to still kind of manually check, did it write a
Yeah.
good title? Did it hit the right audience? Did it use the right words? So please, dear viewer, read what the AI is creating. But this very much does decent job. Plus, it does it very fast. And then we have also other uh, fields like product characteristics, target audience, words and special. Well, that's different, I think, words and special characters to avoid. But we can then input extra keywords basically here if it's not enough in the bullet points in the title. And usually for the title, again, we use the most juicy keywords that kind of bring sales and bring conversions and bring impressions, of course. And then we also give some readability to the title, so it's not boring in a sense, and that explains for whom it works, how it transforms the life of the customer sometimes as well, maybe. But the AI knows how to do it, but still, please read it and etc. And again, I'll remind in the description, you can try out SellerSprite for free. There's a high coupon code to save money as well. But this is a free tool anyway, so yeah.
Yeah.
Anything else, Yelchin, you want to add?
Right. You can change. You can add even like you can add the words to refuse. AI will not use those keywords. When you
Mm-hmm.
mention who is your target audience, maybe you can put moms. The product characteristic like, oh, this is the very 4K the view camera for baby. What's
Mm-hmm.
like
Okay.
you can put your brand name here, choose a tone like
Mm.
formal, casual, inspirational, bold, etc. You can like the play with many things. It's gonna help you to write, but of course, at the end, always need to check some facts manually. You know, AI cannot do everything as we need it or as we want.